Hi everyone, it's Josh and Charlotte here. I'm a realtor here in the Dallas-Fort Worth region, and I've got my assistant realtor here, Charlotte, to help me. Charlotte, are you ready to work today? Yeah, you ready to go see this house? Thanks so much for visiting our channel. If you would, we really appreciate it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We post videos every week on various topics in home ownership, buying a home, including a lot of fun new house tours like this one you'll see today. Well, today we're here visiting First Texas Homes in Grand Prairie, Texas. First Texas builds all over the Dallas-Fort Worth region. They build large homes, as you'll see this one. So if you're looking for that larger square footage, First Texas may be a great option for you. The model we're going to see today is the Brentwood model. It's a 2-story. All your specs are right there on the screen. Click that description box for more information, including links to this home, as well as other videos that we post. Hot ouch. Hot ouch.
Oh.
Hot ouch. You're silly. Uh-oh, Raggy. Yep, not you. That door was open too? Oh no.
Wow.
Oh wow. Come here. Come on. What do you think? Okay. Whoa, wooden steps. I don't think we've climbed wooden steps before. Oh no, the door's open. Let's close that door. Very good. Okay, everyone, well, that's our show today. Hopefully you enjoyed this beautiful Brentwood model built by First Texas Homes here in Grand Prairie, Texas. If we can help you find your next home, I'm a realtor here in the Dallas-Fort Worth region, along with my assistant, Charlotte, here. We would love to help you. Click the description bar, DM us, look at all our social media platforms we're on, and we'll see you next time. Yay! And remember to see it sold and see it yours. Right, Charlotte? Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.